Well, let we talk about what is the history of the architecture design. Actually, on my hand to say, the architecture design is basically on the human need. So human, as the ancient time, human is need to some place to live. So that will be establish their own residential buildings. So residential buildings is the first stage of the human architecture for design to see. And then when after human residents, human needs some place to feed themselves, and they need to working and do something. So that will be start of the design for the manufacturing. So the industrial design will be coming out, and afterwards, after human manufacturing, they need some place to exchange their material they're making. So the commercial buildings or commercial area of the human architecture will be coming up.